Morning everyone on the AVtransfers YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a little unboxing. I've had the unfortunate task of replacing my dehumidifier that I keep in my office because the other one almost caught fire, so we luckily caught it and got rid of it. And here's the new one, a MeacoDry Arete One. And apparently designed in the UK, probably made in China, 5-year warranty. I got this at John Lewis. The website for the company itself didn't have any stock, but okay, included a HEPA filter, HEPA hey. All right, looks kind of nice. I just wanted to get a really nice one. And it's not Alexa controlled. I don't particularly like Alexa. I'd much rather not have anything to do with it. So this is a switch it on and it works kind of story. Unobtrusive. Okay, let's see how here's a first look at it. It's not dissimilar from the many others I've gone through in the past, and I'd be very surprised if it lasts 2 years. Never mind 5. Let's see here. We got our digital panel, and the handle is below this label. Please lift the handle by pulling upwards with one hand at each end. Okay, oh, that's nice. I like that. Your HEPA filter is behind the filter guard. Please remove from plastic before use. Okay. Oh, okay, let's have a look. Ooh, it slides. Oh, very nice. Oh, very nice. Well, they say it's HEPA, but to be honest, this is kind of what they all are like, aren't they? Don't they all have a filter like this? Looks like a pretty standard item. Let's see, where is this made? China. Okay, no surprise there, but it looks nicely made. Let's get the filter out. It's a bit sus. Included with this box is a free HEPA filter for you to try. You see, that doesn't make any sense, because normally you have a piece of sponge at the back which does this. So they should give you a piece of sponge if you don't want the HEPA filter. It has to have a filter, else it's going to block up all these things. So they kind of marry you into this. All right, not sure about that, but we shall see. We shall see. Is it a right and a wrong way? I'm not sure. Let me just check. So the HEPA filter's in, and it looks pretty much like any other device I've seen. It should run quietly and basically extract the water from the air, because I often keep my office locked with the windows closed for security and the alarm on. This is just a way of keeping the air dry and stopping anything from getting smelly. There's a hole here. I suppose this is for, it's a DC jack. That's interesting. I don't know what that's about. Maybe you can charge your phone from it. Okay, so there is your circuit diagram. No, we don't need that, but a nice touch, I guess. Your water is some sort of nozzle. How would you pour this out? I suppose once it gets full, this lovely piece of plastic will go up to the top. Point of failure number 1, I'm sure. And yeah, I think that's it. You just pour it out. I guess it would just pour out of one of these holes. This is some kind of a, some sort of a thing for some kind of overflow, I guess. Yeah. Check out the instruction manuals and see. Okay, well, we'll hook it up and see what it does. Stand by. Okay, so now we're in the office, and I will say it's quite a hefty item. I carried it up the garden path, and it's pretty heavy. It must weigh at least 10 kilos. Plugged it in, it went beep. Let's see what happens. Ooh. I guess you want to set your desired humidity here. Well, this could save a lot of dehumidifying, water extraction. 63. Oh, I see, that's for drying laundry. Well, we're not going to worry about that. Obviously there's a sleep mode, so it's not so noisy. Okay, that looks good. It's spitting out air. We'll tell you how we go. There it is. First quick hands-on test of the Meaco UK designed, hopefully well designed, dehumidifier. Let's see how we go. I guess we'll check it out later and see what the number comes down to. Yeah? Okay, well, this is Howard of AVtransfers. Thank you for looking at another one of my usual videos. More to follow. Have a good one.